Okay, sige na. For today's video, unbox si Arja ng mga Minecraft toys from McDonald's. Okay, go! So, ano yan? Box lang yan, Nak. Kasi ito na yung laman. Ayan. So, ito yung laman ng Happy Meal box. Tapos, ayun. Naka-separate yan. Oh. So, pakita mo sa kanila. Pakita mo sa kanila. Ano yan? Ano daw yan?
Yes.
It's a surprise box. So, malalaman natin after ma-open kung ano yung nakuha ni Kuya Arjan. Kaya today?
Kaya ko. You can do that. Push it in.
Sige.
Ano yan? Sirain mo ng kuko mo. Daming kuko eh.
Sige.
Kaya ba today, Nak?
Pause na natin. Bukas na natin tuloy.
Okay na. Sige, open. Okay na yan. Yee!
Should have done that from the start.
Wow!
Bam has it. It's a Grimace egg. Oh.
Wow!
Grimace egg.
Ha?
Spawn egg. Open it.
Spawn
Open.
egg.
Dragon egg.
Na-open ba siya?
Okay.
Dragon egg. I think there's a half. No. No. See, there's a split. I can't open it.
You need a hammer.
Okay. What's next?
Dragon egg. So you break it open. You open it.
Sana tama yan, no? Baka
Use your feet.
Surprise daw eh. Pag-surprise tayo ng dalawang egg.
Sana iba.
Wait a minute. Scam.
Ano anak? Ayaw na nang
Sa scam.
Dalawang iba. Ay, dalawang eggs. You could open it. Dalawang eggs. Pinibilis niyo yung papilitan mo. Yeah.
What's the other one?
It's
Wow!
zombie. Burglar. Zombie.
Si Hamburglar.
Hamburglar.
Zombie pala siya. How did you know it's a zombie?
Okay, what's next? Yung ano naman, iba naman.
Oh.
That is no surprise.
Wait, let him. You can open it. You can open
What's
it.
that? Wow.
You can open it. Break it. Open it from the other side.
Wow!
Oh, wow!
Makakancel pa si Mama.
Cancel, mamaya.
Sino yan?
Ganyan ba? O baliktad? Yan.
Ganyan ba?
Baliktad.
Baliktad ba?
Si Daddy.
Oh, it's in the desert. Wow. Wow.
Ano pang meron? Wala na?
Rest.
Open up. Open up. Open up. Open up. Open up.
Who will it be?
It's a llama.
Lamua.
Wow!
Gusto na lang.
Ayun, ganun pala dapat.
He will spit in your face. Now for redstone. Last one.
Okay.
Redstone. Open. Thank you for the
Red. Redstone?
Kasi red yung stone.
Okay.
Wala.
What though? Creeper! Creeper! Ah!
Wow! Para-parehas kaya yan? Kasi merong color blue or iba. Iba yun.
Ano yun?
I mean, iba-iba.
Oo, nakita.
Accidentally pulled off from it.
Mamaya!
Oh, it's connected to TNT. That's why it's red. Enter.
Wow!
Wait, it's upside down.
Dapat meron yung color blue. Kaya lang,
Wait, bro.
Mince raft.
wala. Hanap tayo sa ibang store ng color blue. Oh. Okay na. Wow!
Ihalera mo nga
Oh,
yung
sige.
toys.
Pagsama-samahin mo daw, nak.
Mamaya! Wait, I think you can put the blocks together.
Wow!
Parang baliktad yung creeper. Yes.
Sugar, naka yung burger.
Nakahag nga siya eh.
Yung burger. Sabi ko nakaharang.
Ah, yung ano. Okay na yan. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Sige na, mag-closing ka na, nak.
Bye!
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye!